Since you clicked on this video, that means you already know that currently YouTube Shorts are the fastest way to achieve millions of views and growth. But not all the niches will help you achieve that. Creating shorts in certain niches may not be as effective in driving significant traffic to your channel as you might hope.
Which niches should I choose to create YouTube Shorts in order to get over 1 million views?
Well, that's what I am going to explain in this video over the next couple of minutes. I researched over 100 YouTube channels that have been successfully creating YouTube Shorts, encompassing a total of 1.3 trillion views over the last 90 days. And the result is this. The first topic you might want to consider is beauty and makeup. Why? Well, it's a popular area that could attract a lot of viewers, even millions, but it's not just about views.
This topic is also great for making money. Brands love to sponsor videos in this area, and the rates can be pretty good. Plus, you can use your videos to promote products. These could be things you've made yourself, or items you're promoting as an affiliate. This approach works best if you're comfortable showing your face and building a personal brand. For example, channels like Matt and Abby or Shasha Cosmetics have consistently garnered millions of views. Even their low-traffic shorts get nearly 200K views.
Even in the graph of Google Trends, you can see how the topic is on the rise, particularly in the US, Southeast Asia, and Europe. But don't worry if that's not for you. We'll also discuss other topics suitable for channels where you don't need to show your face.
Entertainment also comes in the top category for YouTube Shorts, grabbing over 17% of all views in the past 3 months. But what kind of entertainment? It's not just anything and everything. People love watching pranks like this channel, challenges like Mr. Beast, celebrity gossip like Celebrity Gossip Central, and a unique type of content called oddly satisfying videos. If you didn't know about this, let me enlighten you.
These oddly satisfying videos are like a soothing balm, almost hypnotic. They're a hit because they're universally appealing. They don't need any language and often don't have any dialogue. You can just watch and get what's happening. This makes them easy to enjoy, no matter where you are in the world, leading to a massive number of views on YouTube Shorts. Cool, right?
If you check out Google Trends, you can see it's an evergreen topic whose graph never declines throughout the period. The most intriguing part is almost the whole world is ready to consume the shorts you are going to make in this niche.
Moving forward, let's talk about another popular category for YouTube Shorts, the facts niche.
Here's why it's big. Short-form content is how most of us get our news these days. A study showed that 57% of Gen Z folks get their news from social media, not traditional sources like TV or newspapers. And this trend is even stronger among younger people.
Nowadays, younger people don't read the newspaper. If they don't catch it on Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or somewhere similar, they just miss out.
YouTube Shorts that cover current events, politics, and trending news stories are doing really well worldwide. The key is to make it interesting. Maybe use some eye-catching stats like this channel or maps like this one. That can really draw people in.
You could make videos like 10 facts you didn't know that could save your life. Just Google some facts, list them with relevant pictures, and you're good to go. Some channels even use AI-generated pictures for better storytelling. This approach has led to videos getting over 52 million views. Amazing, isn't it?
Next, here's another idea for a YouTube Shorts channel: quotes or speeches from famous people. You can take a speech or interview, find a 30 to 60-second clip where they say something really interesting, add captions, do some editing to make it unique, and then post it on your channel. Believe it or not, these videos can get millions of views globally. For example, look at this channel. Or this.
They might not go viral like makeup and beauty videos, but in my view, they're a bit easier to make money from. You can do this with your own digital products or with ad revenue. And here's some good news. Starting from February 2023, you can also make money from your YouTube Shorts channels with ads, just like you can with longer videos.
The partner program does have some requirements though. You need at least 1,000 subscribers and 10 million YouTube Shorts views in 90 days. It sounds crazy, but if you can hit those numbers, you can make money from these types of YouTube Shorts with ads. How cool is that?
But if you want to look for some more, there's another evergreen idea for a YouTube Shorts channel, the travel category like this channel or this one. These videos can be a great way to make money, thanks to brand deals, affiliate marketing, and worldwide demand. There are lots of affiliate products related to travel that you can promote.
For instance, if you make videos about camping, you can promote camping gear from Amazon. All you have to do is sign up for their affiliate program. And guess what? Starting from February 1st, 2023, you can also make money from these videos with ads. Sounds like a win-win, doesn't it?
The next niche I have is pretty unique compared to others. In the past 3 months, videos about crafting things by hand have been watched over 16 billion times. This is a big deal because not everyone has the talent to create art or craft. This means that if you're an artist with these skills, you have a great chance to shine, even if you're just starting out, because there aren't many people who can do what you do.
Though crafting itself is in trend, for example, this channel, if you are looking for something even better, I will definitely vouch for DIY ideas, which this channel is doing. Here are the corrected sentences.
Both channels have crossed millions of views, but you can see there's still a significant difference. The crafting channel's highest view count is 29 million, while the DIY channel has garnered 189 million. If you check the graph, you will see the difference between the two there as well.
The most popular types of these videos are about drawing, woodworking, and paper art. But that's not all. Videos about sewing, working with metal, and even pottery are getting lots of views too. These videos have millions of fans, not just because people want to learn these crafts, but also because they enjoy watching the creative process unfold. That's why these crafting videos are so popular right now.
Finally, the last niche for the day. People love to eat well, and people work hard to eat well. Naturally, it goes without saying that food content is extremely popular globally, as it's reflected in Google Trends too, just like entertainment niche. Not only that, this niche is quite diverse, including cooking lessons, food critiques, and eating shows. However, videos about chocolate, gummies, and meaty recipes are currently the most popular.
One creator who's doing a great job is Albert Can Cook. Albert has a unique approach to cooking that's very appealing. He recreates famous dishes from restaurants, TV shows, and films. This approach to short food videos is why his YouTube channel is growing so fast. According to Social Blade, he's gaining 20,000 new subscribers every day.
This is a perfect example of how to think when making YouTube short. The goal is to take a topic that might only interest a few people and make it interesting to the large audience watching YouTube shorts.
So which niche do you find most interesting?
Have you tried any of these ideas?
Comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on growing your channel. See you in the next video.